Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been making images with ChatGPT, you've probably scrolled through old chats trying to find one again. You don't have to. ChatGPT keeps every picture you've generated and every picture you've uploaded in one gallery inside the app. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where it is and how to save those images back to your phone. Let's get straight into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps. Tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and tap the app to open it. Now tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Your sidebar slides out, and near the top you'll see 4 rows: Images, Library, Projects and Plugins. Careful here, because Images is not your gallery. That one just opens the page for creating a new picture. The one you want is the second row. Tap Library, and give it a moment to load everything in. And there it is, every image tied to your account, newest first. These 4 are pictures I generated with ChatGPT: a sports car, a mountain lake, a slice of cake, and an old bicycle. Below them are photos I uploaded to ChatGPT myself. Just scroll down and you can keep going back through all of them, and there's a search bar at the bottom if you're looking for something specific. Now look at the 3 tabs at the top: All, Images and Files. All is what you're seeing now, everything mixed together. Tap Images and the list filters down to Pictures Only, which is what you want when you're hunting for something you generated. The Files tab does the same thing for documents you've sent to ChatGPT. Now tap any picture to open it full screen. Along the top you get a Share button, and next to it a Download arrow. Tap that Download arrow and watch the top of the screen. It says, Image Saved. That picture is now in your phone's gallery like a normal photo. Down at the bottom there's also Edit, Comment, Resize and Remove if you want to delete it. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, tap the menu icon in the top left, and tap Library, not Images. That's your full gallery of everything you've generated and uploaded. Use the tabs at the top to filter down to just Images or just Files. Tap any picture to open it full screen, and hit the Download arrow to save it back to your phone. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.